Before going to LCM, let us see how to find multiples of a given number. The definition says a multiple of a number is any integer obtained by multiplying the given number by an integer. But in elementary mathematics, we usually multiply the given number by the natural numbers beginning with 1. Remember, a number has infinitely many multiples. So, stop when you have obtained the required number of multiples. Got it? Example, find the multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 can be obtained by multiplying 8 by the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Therefore, multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and so on. Got it? Example 2 is 16. A multiple of 8? Yes. Since 16 is divisible by 8 exactly without leaving any remainder, 16 is a multiple of 8. Got it? Thank you for watching. For depth understanding of HCF and LCM, please subscribe to my channel and watch the complete playlist.